Hello and welcome back to the channel. I've been away for a while, but I'm getting back onto making videos. And today we're going to cover a Bitcoin miner, which their latest update is very bullish, and it's so bullish that I'm really actually thinking about investing furthermore into this company. And that company is Iren Energy. Full disclosure, I already own a position in Iren Energy and have held it for a while. My initial buy-in was around here, the 150 mark. But I upped it as I was getting more bullish on the whole thesis and sector. So currently my average is around $2.22. It's done very well since then. It's up about 60%. But given the latest release, I'm really thinking about scaling this up. So let's actually take a look at why I'm bullish given the new investor update. So firstly, the average operating capacity increased by 39%. So right now they're operating at 5.5 hash rate, which allows them to mine much more Bitcoin than the previous months. This month they were able to mine 508 Bitcoin, and let's just put that into perspective of the last month. So you can see that in April they were able to mine 309 Bitcoin. And given the new operating hash rate, that's really substantially increased the amount of Bitcoin they're able to mine with that 5.5 hash rate. So they jumped up to 508 Bitcoin in the month of May. And this actually pushes it up to it becoming one of the top 5 Bitcoin miners. So if you take a look here, Iren Energy with its new production capacity is very well within the top 5 Bitcoin miners out there. One interesting thing to note is the market cap. So at the moment it's sitting at 187, and it mined 508 Bitcoin this month, in the month of May, sorry. And you can see here Cypher, which mined less Bitcoin, has nearly triple its market cap of 580. CleanSpark, which is doing slightly better in terms of Bitcoin mined, is still a double. And it's not like double the amount of Bitcoin. It's just 100 more, and it's still, their market cap is still double that of Iren Energy. And of course we have Riot and Marathon Holdings, which are far away from all of the rest at 1.8 billion and 1.6 billion. I actually really feel Iren Energy and CleanSpark, given their low market caps and how they're performing in terms of management and Bitcoin mined, these two will do really well in the next bull market that's coming up in a few years. Also, given the operating hash rate, I wanted to cover this. So this is actually the current Bitcoin hash rate of May. So you see Marathon is way up there with 15.2, then you have Riot. CleanSpark is coming in at 6.7, Cypher, and then you have Iren. Now, the interesting thing here is, like Iren, as they mentioned, they have a fully funded expansion to 6.5. So that's really going to put them above Cypher and really in line with CleanSpark. So if they become in line with CleanSpark and produce the amount of Bitcoin they actually are producing, I think they will do exceptionally well. Their market cap at least has to double, I feel, just for it to be at CleanSpark's level, which at the moment I still think CleanSpark is also underrated and undervalued. So at the moment Iren Energy revenue per Bitcoin is 26,000, and the electricity cost is, let's just round that up to 12k. So they have a gross profit margin of around 52%, and yeah, that's only going to increase as we see our base case for Bitcoin is that it's going to be substantially higher than what it currently is. And you can imagine Bitcoin at above 30k, especially 35, 40k, and once it gets to 40k, it's just going to be absolutely crazy the gross revenue per Bitcoin Iren Energy will be making. Their revenue stream will be off the charts at that point. So this is really great to see that they have a good margin of profit. So yeah, as the corporate increased average operating hash rate by 39%, it also seems that further shares were acquired by the director. So a little bit of insider trading there, which is always nice to see. and their monthly operating revenue was 13.5 million, which is 50% plus that of April, and that's really given the increase in hash rate and yeah, the amount of Bitcoin they've been able to mine, which was 508, which is 60% more than April. Other great points for Iris Energy really is that they're expanding to 6.5 hash rate, and which is absolutely fully funded, which is great to see. As you can see here, fully funded expansion to 6.5 is underway, and the management team has done extremely well. Yeah, so you can see here Iris Energy is 100% renewable, whatever that means. Probably ESG people will love this, ESG funds will love this, you know. As you can see, the mining revenue it's like substantially going up. I don't know how they can keep this up, but it was 4 million in March, then 9 million April, and now nearly 13.5 million in May. So yeah, given all of that, and given that I do have a substantial position in this stock at 2.2, I'm probably going to average up a little bit on this. So at the moment, just to let you guys know, I'm invested in Iris, then I have CleanSpark, I did not get in there. CleanSpark, I don't know, I don't remember where I got in. I need to redo that. I have Wolf, which is kind of like a dark horse. They got a lot of debt. And then I have, what is the last one? It was actually, yeah, Bitfarms is my other one. Iris is down 8% today. They have some, I don't know, court dispute or whatever. I'm not too bothered about it. They're operating really well. They're executing really well, and I'm pretty bullish on this company. So my dark horses are Bitfarms, CleanSpark, Iris, Wolf, and a little bit of Stronghold, which is doing disgustingly bad, but okay. And the rest I'm just keeping an eye on. So yeah, that was a review of Iris Energy, my number one pick for the next bull market.